Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And I know. What happened to your schedule, sis? Like, you said you're gonna be uploading Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. You had a whole little theme. You know when you have everything just planned out and you're like, yeah, it's gonna go this way. And life just kind of hits you and smacks you up and be like, girl, bye, what was you thinking? You got a whole other job out here that you have to cater to. And honestly, that's just what it is. My 9 to 5 has been just consuming my life. I kind of realized that, girl, I was just way ahead of myself. So yeah, I'm still gonna try to get out a couple videos a week for you guys, if possible. But yeah, if not, I'm so sorry. But other than that, me just rambling on forever about how I'm so sorry because I'm the worst at being consistent. And I should have known because like I'm not a consistent person and I'm not a schedule type person. Like I'm very random and not good with schedules and stuff like that. But you know, I was trying to turn over a new leaf. You know, it's 2019 and yeah, I'm still the same person. So thank you guys so much for sticking with me and my inconsistency, whatever that may be. But yeah, anyways, I'm so excited for this video because this is the Spring Editor's Box by Fabfitfun, and of course I'm going to be unboxing it. I have partnered with Fabfitfun on this video, so this is going to be my impression of this box. All opinions are going to be my own. I'm going to let you guys know like if I feel like if it is worth it to purchase this. So Fabfitfun is a seasonal subscription box service with full-size fashion, beauty, wellness, and lifestyle product. It comes out 4 times a year. So each box is going to be $49.99, but the value in these boxes are $200 and up. So you can even get like $300 worth of products in these boxes for only $49.99. But wait, there's more. I sound like an infomercial. You can get your first box 40% off with using my code Mandy40. So excited to see what's in here with you guys. And yeah, I really hope that it's worth all of the money that you spend. Like I said, I'm gonna be real honest with it and let you guys know if I'll actually use the products that are in here, if I feel that it is actually worth your money. Because hey, 50, 40 bucks is still quite a lot of money, but if you're getting your values worth, then I think treat yourself. But so let's go ahead and jump right into it and stop babbling because I know you guys just want to know what is in here. So we're gonna go ahead and open it here. Ooh. Okay, so when you open it, you have New Year Fresh You $50 gift card, and this is for HelloFresh. So we got a $50 gift card for HelloFresh. That is pretty cool. So now Fabfitfun actually lets you customize some of the items in your box, so that's really cool. So I'm gonna show you what I got in my box, and yeah. So you get a little card here that explains everything, so I'll be able to tell you guys the price and a little bit of, you know, and then the description on some of these things here. All right, so the first thing I see is this Tarte Skincare Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost Hydrant. So this is what it looks like. This is the packaging, really cute. All right, so this Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost retails at $39. Yeah, so we have Quench Your Skin's Thirst. This vegan gel moisturizes, soothes, and refreshes parched skin with electrolyte packed hydration. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this. Oh wow, that is so pretty. Look at that. I love the packaging. It's just so cute. I'll just set this out probably on my stuff because, you know, it has a gold top and all that. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it here for you guys. Has a little lid here. Oh my gosh, it smells, ooh, it smells so good. Oh yeah, okay, so this is what it looks like. This is the product here. I'm gonna, oh man, I can't put any on because I have a full face of makeup on, but I'm gonna put it on the back of my hand and just see how it feels. Because I believe you're just supposed to put this on maybe before your makeup. Maybe it has a little sticky base. Oh my gosh, it smells so good, guys. It really does. Okay, so I like the smell. I like that it's vegan. I like the packaging. It feels just like a hydrating gel, like how it says. It does. So I just put it on the back of my hand. I'm trying to see if it has like a sticky residue. I don't really like a sticky residue, but when I'm going to put on makeup, I notice that if I do have a lotion that kind of has like a sticky residue after, my makeup sticks like a little bit better. I don't use powders on my face, so my skin's pretty dry, so I can do like a hydrating boost, like cream, you know, like liquid foundation, and my skin will just look dewy. It won't look too oily. So definitely depends on your skin type, but this here, I'm actually excited for it. I would not purchase this on its own, but to get it in like a surprise box, I'm really excited to try an expensive product like this, because to me this is expensive. $40 for a hydrating boost or lotion or, you know, hydrating gel cream, I think is a lot, but when I'm getting it with all this other stuff, I think it's cool to try out. So next, what I got in my box is a nail and cuticle serum. So it's a pretty small box here. It says 100% natural. So on this little note card that they give you, the white here says in every box, so all members get these box. The pink is all members get the chance to customize, so I'll show you the ones that are customized and the ones that everybody will get. So everybody will get this here, and it's a cuticle serum. I'm sorry, nail and cuticle serum, by way of will. Strengthening nail and cuticle serum. Moisturize nails while protecting the cuticle against dryness and damage. The serum contains emollient-rich meadow foam, argan oil, and vitamin E to strengthen nails in between paint jobs. So this, honestly guys, I know you're probably like, what, nail serum? I need this. So I am a server outside of this, and I wash my hands constantly because you're dealing with food and you need to wash your hands. So my nails and my cuticles are literally dry and cracking and peeling all the time. I'm super pumped about this because honestly, my nails are so bad, and I have been not getting them done because they have just been so fragile and dry. And yeah, so let's see, I'm gonna smell this here. So it comes with a little dripper. It is a pretty small size, but I don't imagine you need a huge bottle of cuticle serum to see if you like it. So, ooh, put it on my nose. Ooh, this smells really good. It does smell natural. I'm just gonna put this oil like on my cuticles here and on my nails. So yeah, I needed something like this. I really did. Let's see. So this retails for $24. That's an expensive cuticle serum right there. $24. Ooh, it smells really natural and organic. That's what it smells like. It really does. Let's see what's in it. Lavender. It smells like lavender, so it does have lavender in it. 1 to 2 drops on nails and cuticles daily. So it says to use these 1 to 2 drops on your nails daily. And I'm actually super excited, like I said, because my nail beds have been so embarrassingly dry and like peeling, and I have all those, you know, what is it, the hangnails. Yeah, I like this. Do I feel like it's like a must-have? Probably not. $24 is really expensive for a cuticle serum, so I don't know about that. Alrighty, next I got this Etika gold bracelet that has an opal. Oh my gosh, you guys, so beautiful. I love opals. I'm definitely more like a diamond girl, but opals are so beautiful as well. I'm actually gonna put this necklace on. It was designed in Los Angeles. This 18 karat gold plated Kyocera opal necklace is the chic accessory you never knew you needed. Retails at $40. So 18 karat gold plated with an opal. Guess that's a reasonable price for an opal. This is what it looks like on. Oh my gosh, I'm actually obsessed. I love just little dainty necklaces like this. So I think it looks really pretty on. This will be a go for me. So yeah, I really like this. The next thing that we have here is this Murad Renewing Eye Cream. Okay, I don't use eye creams ever, but will I not use them if it's given to me? That's a different story. So the weird thing is about these Fabfitfun box, I feel like you'll get a lot of things that you never try out because you just wouldn't spend money specifically on that. So I kind of like that because now I'll be trying new things. So I do appreciate getting things that I maybe wouldn't purchase because I can always try them and see if I would like them. But this one, whoa, retails at $82. $82? That is crazy. I would never spend $82 on an eye cream. What is this gonna do? Like freaking disappear, make my bags disappear? So it's the Murad Renewing Eye Cream. This ultra nourishing eye cream features advanced peptides and retinol to increase elasticity and visibly minimize lines and wrinkles. So this is what the box looks like. That, I couldn't, peptides and retinol, I don't even know what that is. So this is what it is. This is the bottle it comes in. I'm going to smell it. I don't know if I can put it on my eye right now. I'll have to get back to you guys on this. But oh my gosh, I feel like $82. I can't be putting this on the back of my hand. It smells very medical-ish, like very like you would get this prescribed from your doctor. I'm gonna try it. Like I said, $82, that is crazy. I mean, it's cool to have something this expensive, and I feel like, now I'll be able to try these products that I'd never purchased, but it must be doing something if they're able to price it at that. Next, I'm so excited. We got Diff sunglasses. I've already actually have 2 pair of Diff sunglasses, so I know I love Diff. These are priced at, so I got the Diff sunglasses and these retail at $85. You guys already know these are worth it. They are the best quality glasses I've purchased. So yeah, what I love about Diff as well is for every pair of Diff shades sold, we donate 1 pair of glasses to a person in need. So they actually donate glasses as well, and it tells you there and it says let's make a difference. So I believe that's why Diff is their name. So I love that. This is the cute little eyeglass case that it comes in. Leather, very sleek. I love that. And then, oh yes. Oh my gosh, yes. Okay, this is worth it. So let me turn off this ring light to show you guys so it's not like, okay, so look. They have like a fade, they kind of fade. Oh my gosh, these may be my favorite glasses I own. I love these. So you can customize these. You can customize these ones. Let me turn my ring light back on. You can customize these ones. So I would pick this one. They feel so good on, like, you know, you get some sunglasses that are super light and they just feel like they're gonna fly off your face, or like they're not even just sitting right on your face. That's why I love these Diff eyeglasses. And then of course you get a little cleaner. I'm so excited about those. I freaking love them. Yeah, another cream here. This is the Libido Inspired by Nature Body Lotion Aromatic, that's how you say it. Aromatic Body Lotion. Okay, so this one everybody gets in their box. This is how it looks up close. Everybody gets this in their box. So it's the Libido Aromatic Body Lotion, Mandarin Orange, and Bergamot. It's a whole lot of words in here that I don't know. Guess my vocabulary isn't as big as I thought. This retails at $19. Okay, I'm always here for a good lotion. So let's try this out. Let's see there. Okay, ooh. Okay, there you go. When you rub it in, oh gosh, it smells like an orange. It smells so good. So when I want to smell good, I'll probably use this a little. So I use my Gold Bond here. This is like my ride or die lotion all over my body, and this is a lotion for all over body, but look how much I have of this and how much I have of this. So this one definitely smells way better. You get that mandarin orange, just fresh smell. So I would definitely put this like on my arms and on my chest kind of area, so that way I can kind of have that citrusy smell, and then just put that all over my body so I don't waste all this, because I really like the smell of this Libido lotion. And yes, okay, so next we got a Summer of Rose. This next product everybody gets as well in their box, and it's from Summer and Rose, a place for everything. That's what it says here on the front of the box. So this is a Celine trinket dish. Keep your baubles in one place, and the ceramic trinket dish holds small jewelry and instantly elevates any vanity with its gold detailing. Ooh, I'm excited. Let's see. This will probably be like, oh, that is so cute. Okay, that is super cute. So you can just put this on your vanity and, you know, put your little gold necklace or whatever you have in there like that. I mean, I probably would put more like my rings and stuff, but just to kind of showcase, you know, your jewelry. I like this. I think this is cute. Let's see how much it retails for. It retails for $22. That's kind of a lot for a small little dish, because it is pretty small here. But honestly, I could see Target selling a dish this expensive and me probably buying it. It'll add to my room. Alrighty, so we're down to the last product. This is by Ahava or Ahave, I don't even know. Okay, so this one here is the Derma Intensive Foot Cream. Oh, it's a foot cream. I seen mud mask and I was like, ooh, it's gonna be a mud mask. Okay, it's a foot cream, let's see. Made with mineral-rich Dead Sea mud, the daily cream works to relieve painful, dry, rough, cracked, or coarse skin, and it retails at $29. Now, I don't really have dry feet, but my sister does. She's gonna hate me after she sees this. So for somebody like her, I'm putting everything on the back. Oh, this smells bomb. This smells bomb. I don't even know what it smells like. What is it's paraben free, massage into feet. I can't put my foot up right now because I just think that's a little weird. But this is like cute for like a spa day. I don't know if it's really something I would need in my box, like foot cream. I probably would not pick a foot cream. Okay, so what's cool about this though is you just rub it into your feet and you can leave it on, and that way it's like softening your feet, you know, throughout the day or throughout the night. So I don't know, it's not like making me super excited. All right, so final verdict. Do I feel this box is worth 50 or 40 bucks? Because if you use my code Mandy40, you will get 40% off. Do I feel like it's worth that? I'm gonna have to say yes because of these babies right here. I'm obsessed with these. I'm excited to try these. I love the package. And then this necklace that I have on, I love this necklace. So just those 3 things there, I know that's way over 40, 50 bucks. These here alone. The cream stuff, you know, I'm not raving over it. I'm excited to try them. I did love the smell of this Levito body cream. Like I said, everybody gets this in their box. I loved this because it just smells so delicious. Yeah, guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And don't forget to use my code Mandy40 to save you some money off your first box. And yeah, just let me know down below, do you feel that is worth it? Is there any products in here that you already have, that you tried, maybe that are yes or no? Or, you know, if you hated all these products and you want to get them, I want to know. Let me know down below. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next upload. Bye!